Volume of a cuboid. As seen in the previous clip on 3D shapes, there are many different types of prisms. A cuboid is one type of prism. In order to work out the volume of a cuboid, you simply multiply the three dimensions together. So it's the length, width and the height. This is often abbreviated to V equals WHL. A cube has the same formula. The only difference is that all three values are exactly the same. So all the dimensions, the width, the length and the height have got the same value. Let's have a look at an example. So we have a cuboid here of dimensions 3, 8 and 5 centimetres. So let's write down the formula first. So V equals WHL. Substitute in the values. 8 times 3 times 5. You work that out and you get the answer of 120, and it's going to be centimetres cubed. Because its volume is a three-dimensional shape, it's cubed. Here's another example. In this example, we are given the volume and we have two other dimensions and we have to work out one of the missing lengths. So we're going to be working backwards. Another thing to note, and something you must be very careful in exams of reading the question and the dimensions, is that this is in centimetres and this is in metres. You must make sure the units are consistent, so either change the 2 metres into centimetres or 150 centimetres into metres. I'm going to change the 150 centimetres into metres. So 150 centimetres is 1.5 metres. And I've got my formula, V equals WLH. We've got the invisible times in here, so W times L times H. Substitute in my value, so I have 12, which is the volume, and I have 2 and 1.5 in metres here and here. So I'm going to multiply the 2 by 1.5. Because with multiplication I can do the multiplication in any order, so I'll do the 2 times the 1.5 first. So that will give me 3 times by the L, and then I will divide the 12 by 3 to find my length. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and the dimensions are metres. Just a word of warning, because we've been working with volume in this question, some people will automatically, without thinking, write down metre cubed. But don't forget, we were actually finding a length, so you must make sure that you write the right units. So our missing length is 4 metres. Now here we have a slightly trickier example. So we've been asked to find the volume of the cuboid which has a hole through the middle. So we want to find the volume of the whole cuboid, and then we have to find the volume of this bit that's been cut out. So once we find the volume of the whole cuboid and the volume of the hole through its length, we can then subtract the bit that's been cut out, the hole through its length, from the volume of the whole cuboid to find the actual shape itself. So the volume of the whole cuboid, without the hole in the middle, is 5 times 5 times 12, so the 3 dimensions, which equals 300 metre cubed. And the volume of the hole through its length, we have a 2, and then the hole goes all the way through to the back, so therefore it's the length of 12. So that is 2 times 2 times 12, so that volume of the hole is 48 metre cubed. Therefore the volume of the cuboid with the hole through the middle will be 300 minus the 48, which is the hole, which gives us an answer of 252 metre cubed. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and then have a go. How did you get on? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then try again.